Malaysia, like other developing countries with rapidly rising cities and a burgeoning population, faces several issues in managing garbage in a sustainable manner. In 2005 alone, the garbage created per day was 19,000 tons, with the recycling rate of barely 5%. In 2018, the amount increased to 38,000 tons per day, but the recycling rate only increased to 17.5%. According to the National Solid Waste Department, Malaysia now has 165 landfills and 3 inert landfills for materials such as sand and concrete. Local environmental specialists predict that if nothing is done to minimize garbage production, no room will be available by 2050. With Malaysia's current recycling rate is way lower compared with neighboring countries of Singapore, Taiwan, Korea and Thailand, the federal government has set a target of recycling rate of 40% by 2025. More sustainable solutions are required to revolutionize the way we manage trash, opening the path for a cleaner and more sustainable future. The emphasis currently is on expediting the transition from linear economy solid waste management to a circular economy model, production and consumption, and integrated water resource management. Adopting this paradigm, however, necessitates the implementation of a zero-waste to landfill plan to reduce reliance on landfills through the use of cutting-edge technology and the creation of downstream sectors to handle solid waste. Lately, Malaysia has started to embrace the concept of waste-to-energy, WTE, converting non-recyclable waste into renewable energy. These pioneering plants not only reduce landfill waste but also be able to generate electricity, contributing to the nation's energy needs. WTE is not a novel concept, rather, the term incinerator is more common. Malaysia aims to build a total of 6 WTE plants across the nations by 2025. On paper, WTE plants seems to be perfect solution and able to solve most of Malaysia's waste problems. Is this, however, true? According to an article published in The Edge Malaysia on August 28, 2023, Saipark, the pioneer of WTE plants in Malaysia, claims that the majority of trash in Malaysia is wet or moist. As a result, more energy is required to burn the trash. WTE plants in Malaysia may see net negative energy produced instead of net positive. The wet thrash was caused in part by Malaysia's climate condition of high humidity and poor trash segregation practices. Let us dive further into the negative aspect of WTE plants, air pollution. Despite technological advancement in filtering system today, we can't push away that WTE plants do emit air pollutants, including dioxins, furans, and particulate matter, during the incineration process. Improperly managed plants or outdated technology can release harmful substances into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution. They also emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. While they might offset emissions from fossil fuels or landfills' methane gases, they still contribute to overall carbon emissions. Furthermore, solid waste incineration produces ash residue including heavy metals and hazardous compounds. Improper disposal or management of this ash can result in soil pollution, putting ecosystems and human health at risk. The proximity of WTE plants has sparked concerns about potential health dangers for the surrounding community. According to reports, populations living in close vicinity may still encounter health difficulties as a result of contaminants. There are ongoing criticisms of the government's recycling efforts and programs, such as the absence of awareness campaigns, education in schools and communities, and clear recycling instructions from waste companies handling recycling. Some critics contend that WTE plants may impede recycling by providing an alternate trash disposal route. This might stymie attempts to develop a circular economy and lessen dependency on fossil fuels. When evaluating the implementation of WTE programs, it is critical to examine both the positive and negative outcomes. To counteract these negative consequences and guarantee that WTE plants run in an ecologically responsible manner, proper technology, tough regulations, and integrated waste management methods are required. Moving forward, waste segregation will be critical for WTE plants in generating energy. Beyond the technological breakthroughs provided by WTE, encouraging waste reduction at the grassroots level, community still should be the government's top goal. WTE plants will prosper if local residential communities are involved in educational programs that foster a culture of responsible consumption and waste segregation. Partnerships between industry and waste management organizations have also played an important role. Collaborative efforts should be centered on sustainable practices, waste reduction in manufacturing, and responsible disposal, thus creating a circular economy. As Malaysia advances with these advancements, the ideal of a cleaner, greener nation becomes more achievable. Let us work together to advocate these trailblazing ideas and pave the road for a more sustainable tomorrow. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.